Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Jira Software. Jira Software is a project management tool that helps teams to plan, track, and manage their work efficiently. Software is designed to make it easy for teams to collaborate and manage their work, even working remotely. So the website is a user-friendly dashboard. Here, Jira Software is easier than ever. So the free plan include 10 user lessons, workflows and automations, out of the box roadmaps, integration with thousands of tools. Discovered features that makes Jira so easy to use. So let's start. Let's create our Jira account. So Jira Software has a user-friendly interface, like I said, that allows teams to create and track their profiles and their projects easily. The tool allows users to break down their work into smaller tasks and assign them to team members. This helps to keep track of the progress of each task and overall projects. So my work email will be my personal email, my website. So I have to choose the website. Always available. So you agree and you wait. So you have to tell them about yourself. This is the first step. Tell us about yourself, what type of team you're looking for. Customer service, marketing, IT support, human resource, operation, finance, software development, and legal and others. Personal. So what is your role? Student. What are your main tasks? None of them. Question. Next. One moment, your site is starting up. So Jira Software also has a powerful reporting feature that provides users with real-time insight into their project's progress. Users can generate various reports, including burn down charts, which help teammates to see how much work is left to be done. So help us set up your Jira. I am new experienced. So let's put new. I am setting up Jira for my software team. My team is new to agile methodology. We spend our time working on future support operations, fixing bugs. We have a schedule to finish work tight. And next. So the name of what? You can create project. Then project name will be Madara. This template, let's just choose the recommended from JiraSoft. Now they know more about me more than I know about them and even about myself. So select your some tools now and we'll help you contact them later. We have Slack, Microsoft Team, GitHub, GitLab, and others. Let's skip this. So one of the most significant benefits of Jira Software is its flexibility. The tool can be customized to suit the needs of various types of teams, including software development, marketing, and customer services. User can add different type of fields, workflow, and issue types to their projects depending on their requirement. So here will be the dashboard created by Jira Software for my team and my business. You can add here the task you are working on, the issues, and you can choose the roadmap, the backlog, and the board. So it is loading. So here you can get started. Here we have the project settings, and here we have the account settings, the general settings. So let's head to the settings. We have the user management, the billing, the system, the products, the projects, the issues, the app. We have Atlassian account settings, personal Jira settings. Here. So those are the personal settings. So to sum up, Jira Software is a versatile and user-friendly project management tool that can help teams to work efficiently and collaborate effectively. Its flexibility, reporting feature, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for teams of all sizes and industries. So here we have the time zone, the language, what's your issues. Here we have Jira homepage. We have the email notification and email notification format. You can save change here. You can switch teams. Here we have Jira Labs, and you can connect apps to your Jira software account. So here you can see your work, recent and assigned to me. Here you will get notification about job assigned to you. Here we have projects. Here we have the filter, the dashboard, the team. So I don't have a team. I don't have no one right now. Here we have the apps. You can explore more apps from here. You can create a new program, new project. Here we have the notification settings, the help, the profile and settings. You can manage your account. You can try the other plans. Let's see what they got. You can start a free trial here. And I think that's it for today. This is how to create a new workshop, new team on Jira Software. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.